The NFC City Berlin is a project which is supported by big retailers, German retailers, and also the national MNOs, all mobile network operators in Germany. So we are coordinating the work between those different MNOs together, and together with the retailers which are involved in our project. And the objective really is to build this lighthouse project to set a momentum to the market that consumers now really are able to pay with their smartphone for purchases at physical POS. Involved are some of the big retailers, as I mentioned before, companies like the Rewe Group with different distribution brands, then the Metro Group also with different distribution brands like Real and Galeria Kaufhof, and there's also a retailer in the DIY sector, part of the project, it's Obi, and also Kaiser's Tengelmann, which has a huge market share in Berlin and Berlin environment. So on the MNO side, there are really all mobile network operators. Firstly, of course, Telefonica now, together with the Plus, then Deutsche Telekom and Vodafone. So those players aligned, realizing this project together on the neutral platform of GS1 Germany. And some figures, well, we have activated more than 500 stores which are now NFC enabled. This is a huge amount of NFC-enabled stores in Berlin. These are added to the existing PayPass acceptances, which is today more than 700. So Berlin really will be the contactless city in Germany in the next couple of weeks. We choose Berlin because this is the capital city of Germany, and those companies which are involved in our project are very strongly represented with their stores and shops in this city. And at the same time, Berlin has a very huge startup scene, which also is very important for us, that new kind of businesses could be built on the new NFC infrastructure. We are realizing now the payment transactions, which is quite now done today as we launched 2 weeks ago. But we soon will make it possible that consumers could use their smartphones for redeeming coupons at physical POS, also using digital loyalty cards in their wallets on their smartphones. But this is only just the second step. We also talk to different other sectors and companies, including mobile ticketing in our project, as well as parking via NFC and via smartphone, as well as other services, what we call beyond payment services. In terms of regional developments, we are discussing the rollout to different other German cities like Frankfurt, Hamburg, and Munich. And this really depends on our of the roadmap plans of our partners. But we will be soon in those cities with those services.